GIONIEN induction hob with venting hood system. You can choose from a range of colours for the panel. The Downdraft range hood lies at the heart of it. The range hood automatically turns on when you cook. Control your cooker through a screen. Experience an unprecedentedly smooth cooking journey. Our Bluetooth temperature probe allows temperature monitor on your phone. Set up the power level and time on your phone. And if you want, the recipe will be read out to you. Go about other activities until the phone reminds you. And never worry about cleaning anymore. Cook with genuine love. Cook with GIONIEN.